Hello, everyone. Welcome to my English Talks, your friendly podcast to practice real English.
Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're talking about a big problem for beginners.
The problem where you know words, but you can't speak?
Exactly. Many learners freeze and say, I know English, but I don't know what to say.
This is very common. And it's not because you're bad at English.
Right. It happens because beginners try to build perfect sentences in their head.
They think about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, all at the same time.
So today, we'll use a simple tool. 3 sentence patterns that you can use every day. Pattern number 1. I plus verb plus object.
I study English. I drink coffee. I watch YouTube.
Simple and correct. This is the best pattern for beginner.
What about the second pattern?
Pattern number 2. I'm plus adjective, or I feel plus adjective.
I'm tired. I'm excited. I feel nervous.
This pattern helps you talk about your feelings. Very useful in real conversation.
And pattern 3?
Pattern number 3. I want to plus verb.
I want to learn English. I want to travel. I want to speak confidently.
Great! Now you have 3 strong patterns. Okay, quick practice. Mike, answer fast. No thinking too much.
I'm ready.
Pattern 1. I plus verb plus object. Say one sentence.
I practice English.
Pattern 2. I'm plus adjective. One sentence.
I'm motivated.
Pattern 3. I want to plus verb. One sentence.
I want to speak fluently.
Perfect. That's real English.
Now, one common mistake. People say, I am go.
Yes, after I am, you need an adjective, not a verb.
Correct. I am happy. Or I am going.
And for I want, don't forget to. Not, I want learn. Correct. I want to learn. Let's imagine you meet someone new. What can you say?
I'm Mike. I'm from India. I study English. I want to improve my speaking.
That's a perfect beginner introduction.
And you don't need big words. You need clear patterns.
Today you learned 3 sentence patterns. I plus verb plus object. I'm plus adjective / I feel plus adjective. I want to plus verb.
Now your challenge.
Write 3 sentences in the comments, one for each pattern.
Example. I study English. I'm excited. I want to speak better.
Thanks for listening to my English Talks. Keep it simple, keep it real.
See you next time.